And the Prophet ﷺ told us 1,400 years ago that the signs of the last hour will appear in the following way. He gave us a visual example. What was it? He said, they are like the stones inside of a bead, or the beads, inside of a string. You know the beads? It's got little stones in it. If you cut the string, the beads start coming out, but the next bead won't come out until the first bead comes out. So one bead comes out, the next one follows, the third one follows, the fourth one follows. But the fourth and the fifth won't follow until the one before it comes out. So he said the signs of the last hour will come. The signs of the last hour will come one by one, like the way the beads come out of a string. What does that mean? It means that what you're seeing right now, you're going to say, in fact in the hadith it also says this, Rasul ﷺ did say, everyone will say, this is it, this is it, this is it. This is the end, this is the one, whatever it is. But it's merely another bead that is opening the way to another sign that is bigger than that, and another sign that is bigger than that, until things are calibrated.